Hi and welcome to my channel, That Geeky Gal. My name is Gracie and I'll be showing you how to make these Hogwarts house themed ornaments for your Harry Potter Christmas tree. I'll be starting a new series called 12 Days of Christmas Ornaments, and I'll be doing some simple DIY ornaments for your Christmas tree. Please remember to give this a like, comment, subscribe, and let's get started. Links for everything will always be down in the description box below. Okay, you'll be needing some Hogwarts house napkins, some white felt, this is the stiff kind, white cardstock paper, some glossy Mod Podge, a glue stick, some twine, some scissors, and glue gun and glue stick. Alright, let's get going. So I made these patches a while back out of cardboard and some felt for my daughter. I made them into magnets, but you can also make them as patches for like your clothing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this napkin that I found at Walmart, and I'll put the links down below. I cut it up, and then the next thing you need to do is take off the backing. There's like 2 layers to every little piece of napkin that you cut out. And you can also use the white Hogwarts crest. And so we need to cut around a border. So what you're going to do is grab your pieces of napkin. You're going to glue them on to some cardstock paper. Now each napkin has like 2 layers of it, so you're going to just have to take off every single layer until you get to just the piece that has the design on it. And then with the glue stick, you're going to go ahead and put some glue down and make sure there are no bubbles. Now the reason we're doing this and gluing it on cardstock paper first is to help it make sure it's stiff and it doesn't like crinkle on us. Alright, and we're going to do that to the rest of our Hogwarts houses. Alright, so once they are nice and glued and dried, we're going to use some Mod Podge, and we're going to put a thin layer of glossy Mod Podge on the top. This will help protect the crest, so that way it's a little bit stiffer, and it makes sure that it lasts longer for you too. So do that for all 4 of them. Now here they are, all covered in glossy Mod Podge. Make sure it's nice and dry before you do this next step, which is to cut now our border. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little thin border of our little crest houses. And then on some of the napkins, they don't go all the way circular, so just cut to where they are and do that for all 3. And here they are. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to grab some white felt. This is like the stiffer kind. There's 2 different kinds of felt, stiff kind and like the flimsy, like crinkly kind. What you're going to do is you're going to grab your pieces and hot glue them to the felt. Make sure you get the corners. Be careful not to burn yourself. And place them down. And here they are, nice and glued down. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut a border around each of them. And with the power of film magic, here they are all nice and cut out with a little strip of white border around them. You don't have to put the white border, but I think it just makes it look a little bit nicer. So as you can see, the other one bent over because I never really glued down the napkin. And so it'll be nice and stiffer this time. So grab some twine, and all you're going to do is just hot glue a little bit of twine to the back of each one. And bada bing, bada boom. Here are all 4 nice and done. Flip them around. And of course you can do the same process with the white Hogwarts crest with all 4 houses on it. And here they all are. This was a super simple project. With the napkins, you can always make more than just one of each house, you know, and I really hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more. I will have something special for you tomorrow. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. See you tomorrow, guys. Thanks. Bye.